Hello, future scholars. Welcome to the TutorWand channel. In this video, we will show you the guide on digital SAT preparation. With the upcoming August 26th digital SAT exam, we thought to give you the best tips and tricks that can help you ace the test. So let's dive right in. First, get comfortable with the digital interface. Spend time exploring the layout and practice moving through the different sections. Take advantage of the built-in tools like the calculator, highlighter, and strikethrough. Digital SAT practice tests are the best way to get familiar with the new format. Speaking of practice tests, they are vital preparation tools, not just warm-ups. Take multiple full-length practice tests to get the closest experience to the real digital SAT, and be sure to thoroughly review your answers after each test. For practice tests, you can use an adaptive platform like TutorWand. For the math section, use your on-screen calculator strategically. Don't rely on it for simple math, you can do it faster yourself. Read each question carefully. SAT math often includes tricky wording. For reading and writing, approach passages like a detective. Scan first, then mark keywords and take concise notes. This helps you find info to answer questions. Use online resources and practice tests to improve grammar and punctuation skills. Think of each section as a mini race. Answer easier questions first, then divide the remaining time for harder ones. If you feel anxious, use deep breathing and positive self-talk. And remember, you've prepped for this. On exam day, arrive early with your admission ticket, Idaho, calculator, snacks, and water. Use mindfulness and stress reduction techniques to stay focused. Trust your test prep strategies and pace yourself. You've got this. Check out TutorWand for realistic digital SAT practice tests. It is an adaptive test platform specializing in digital SAT mock tests and practice tests. TutorWand offers an authentic test-taking experience that mirrors the real exam structure and pacing. You can engage with various question types, monitor your progress, and boost your confidence. Khan Academy and College Board also have great free preparation materials. Preparing for the digital SAT takes time and diligence, but you can do it. Believe in yourself and connect with peers for motivation. The skills you build will help far beyond just the SAT. Thanks for watching, and good luck, future scholars.